So, period.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor, one that is not new to my channel whatsoever. Thank you so much, WowAfrican, for sponsoring us with this 13x6 lace front wig. Now, 13x6 meaning that the lace goes back a little bit further than the regular 13x4 lace front wigs, and you can make parts go back further and do more styles with it. And if y'all ever wondered, I wonder which companies are Breezy's favorite. Listen, WowAfrican is definitely one of them. One of my favorite things about their wigs is their laces. Like, they're soft, they're flexible, and they come tinted already. So even if I have to tint it a little bit darker to fit my model's complexion, it's really easy. It never looks ashy, you know, and that's just one of my favorite things. Also, their wigs are always so full. I'm like, how come I don't always get wigs like this from other companies? But no, their wigs are always full, always soft, and I just have no complaints ever. So modeling today, we have one of my OG clients back to be on my channel. Say hey, Margaret. So when I first started doing like the wig installs on my channel, she was one of my first models ever. Like, ever.
Back in the day, y'all, that was me and Breezy.
What year is that?
This is, I don't know if it'll tell me. I don't think it'll tell me. But yep, this was my little curly wig, guys. Back at it again.
Yup, I remember that. That was that loose wave wig, I think. Or was it a sew-in? I can't remember. But that was one of the first videos I ever put dialogue in. So besides, you know, doing the tutorial and doing my normal voiceovers, y'all can actually hear some of the conversations that we were having that day. So it was really funny. I think we were talking about relationships or something, but I'm gonna link it in the comments below so y'all can check it out and see the growth. So I was talking up a storm in the beginning of the video, and I forgot to mention that this is definitely the medium brown stocking cap from galaxygirlhair.com. So if you need to re-up on those, head to the website. And I'm also using my liquid lace glue. This is the only glue I use on my channel, period, point blank. All right, so if you need your bottle, head to the website as well. So I want to ask y'all something. Now, I'm not saying, you know, this is what I'm going through. This is just a topic that, you know, I thought about, that ran across my mind. And I'm like, I bet this would be hilarious to talk about on my channel, right? So when you girls or guys, you know, if you get into a relationship, right, and you and someone decide that y'all are gonna be exclusive to each other and y'all are, you know, committed, you know, you have a bunch of stragglers, or, you know, you have your hoes or whatever that are just like floating around. Do y'all keep it friendly with y'all hoes? Like, do y'all keep it cordial? Do y'all keep it friendly? Or do you cut them hoes off? Like, no communication, no nothing, like nothing, you know? So I just wanted to ask so I can, you know, get different opinions and see how different people move. You know, some people are just mean. Some people like, listen, I got a boyfriend or I got a girlfriend, I ain't talking to you no more. But some people like to, you know, be extra nice and kind of like keep their people in their realm a little bit. So what do y'all think about that? All right, so another question for you guys. How do you feel about your partner being quote unquote too friendly? Like, some people do not go for that at all. Like, some people like their partners to be really stiff, really mean, you know, like business only, you know, and some people are just open, you know, don't mind sparking conversations with random people, you know, as long as it's not flirtatious or inappropriate, you know, what is the limit? You know, like, can you have a regular conversation with the opposite sex without making your partner insecure? You know, so when I was in my last relationship, this is so weird. Y'all don't judge me, but I used to literally get turned on when I felt like a female liked my boyfriend or was staring at him or something. I used to just think in my mind like, yep, that's me. Like, that's me. I used to be proud, you know. I was never jealous or like insecure. I never felt like that. And but I understand that some guys don't, you know, like their girlfriend to be social with the opposite sex. Like, they just don't like it, you know. And some girls don't like that about their boyfriends, you know. So what do y'all feel about that topic? All right, so let's jump back into the install. I pulled out my tweezers and now I'm plucking the part so I can make it more neater and defined. All right, so you already know we got to get into this color, all right, because I got this platinum patch in 2 processes, y'all. Yes, 2, all right, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how I did it. So the brand of the bleach powder that I use is BW2, and the brand of the developer that I use is Clairol. I use the cream developer. So I used a 40V and I mixed that together, maybe like a toothpaste, maybe a little bit thinner than that. And the secret weapon is Dawn dish soap. Okay, yes, the blue liquid Dawn dish soap in your kitchen. So I might add like 3 tablespoons, you know, in the mixture. And what Dawn does, and not even just Dawn, it can be like shampoo, but what it does is it prevents the bleach from drying out as fast. So when it's on the hair, it can lift higher and it can lift for longer. And I can't even tell you guys that without showing gratitude to the stylist that told me this. Her name is Coco, and she worked with me at my very first salon, Salon Ramsey. Licensed stylist, did a whole lot of color. And y'all, when she put me up on this technique, I've been using it ever since. Like, every time I have to get like a platinum, girl, where the Dawn at? Oh yeah, and one last thing that I forgot to tell y'all. At the very end, you know, when you're shampooing the bleach out, just to get the rest of those brassy tones out and those yellow tones, use Shimmer Light shampoo. It's like a dark, like a deep purple shampoo that literally cancels out the rest of that yellow. All right, but remember one thing. If you're using the Shimmer Light shampoo to, you know, get rid of the blonde tones and get your hair platinum or ashy blonde, make sure you lift it up high enough, because if your hair is still like honey blonde, it's not gonna work. Yes, ma'am. I am loving this patch. Oh yes, this is like the Rogue patch from X-Men. All right, so now we're pulling out our Flyaway Tamer. This is a wax stick from GalaxyGirlHair.com, and I'm adding a little bit of dry moisture to the hair so that when I pull out my hot comb, okay, it gets the hair nice and straight, nice and flat, and it gets rid of the flyaways. And even though we did a lot of processing on the platinum hair, I'm still using it on the highest level of heat on the hot comb, which is 450 degrees. All right, so I thought this was a straight wig, but I guess it's body wave now that I'm seeing that little curl right there. So I'm just taking my flat iron. I'm gonna press the entire wig out and we're gonna finish up this style. Oh yeah, that's definitely body wave. All right, so the heat that we're adding on the hair kind of made the flyaways pop back up. So instead of continuously adding more moisture and adding more wax, you know, I don't want to make the hair look stringy or too shiny. So we're just going to go with the holding spray. And I also use that hairspray to create that, you know, nice little effect in the front, that little wave, you know what I'm saying? So yes, you guys, this is the final result. And this hair is so soft, it's so full, and it dyed so well.
Hey guys, I have been getting my hair done from Easy Breezy like what? It's been like 2 years since I've got my hair done. So she texted me the other day or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And was like, she was doing something for her clients. Me, obviously. I had an appointment today, an actual hair appointment today, this morning, scheduled 2 weeks ago. Bye, other appointment. Here I am. Now I am nice and slayed and laid by the queen herself, Miss Easy Breezy.
Yes, ma'am. I am loving this hairstyle. Like, it's hairstyles like this that kind of make me miss wigs. So once again, thank you so much, WowAfrican, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.